You won't believe these amazing quizzes about the Titanic. Question number 1. Who designed the Titanic? Question number 2. When did the Titanic sink? Question number 3. Which ship was the Titanic's sister? Question number 4. Where was the Titanic supposed to arrive? Question number 5. How many lifeboats were on the Titanic? Question number 6. Who was the captain of the Titanic? Question number 7. What was the Titanic's route on its maiden voyage? Question number 8. Which iceberg struck the Titanic? Question number 9. How many people were on board the Titanic? Question number 10. What was the Titanic's official name? Question number 11. What was the White Star Line's logo? Question number 12. How many funnels, smokestacks, did the Titanic have? Question number 13. What was the Titanic's maximum speed? Question number 14. Who played the lead role in the movie Titanic, 1997? Question number 15. How long did it take to build the Titanic? Question number 16. Which class of passengers had the most luxurious accommodations on the Titanic? Question number 17. Who was the chairman of the White Star Line? Question number 18. What was the average cost of a first-class ticket on the Titanic? Question number 19. Which ship came to rescue the survivors of the Titanic disaster? Question number 20. How deep is the wreckage of the Titanic located? Did you know? How many did you get right? Like us now.